Hello everyone, this is Dimple Agarwal, welcoming all to Classomania. Today we have a very big news that CBSE has finally decided to reduce 30% of the syllabus. Yes, you heard it right, that CBSE has finally reduced 30% of the syllabus. And today in this video, you are going to watch the detailed structure of the deleted section as well as the part which is there in the syllabus. So let's start the video.
So this is the syllabus for class 10th science, and as you can see that the syllabus for class 10th science annual examination has been divided into the 5 units, and we'll study in detail about these 5 units, that what is being coming in the exam for the session 2021 and what has been deleted from which unit. So let's begin with the units. In unit 1, chapter 1, chemical reactions, this complete chapter is being there in the exam. Nothing has been deleted from this chapter. Second chapter, acid, bases and salts. This chapter is also complete in the examination and nothing has been deleted from this chapter as well. The third chapter, which is metals and non-metals, from this chapter, properties of metals and non-metals, reactivity series, formation and properties of ionic compounds. Only these topics are there in the examination. Others have been deleted from the chapter and for the session 2021. In chapter carbon and compounds, covalent bonding in carbon compounds, versatile nature of carbon and homologous series. Only this much topic is coming in the examination. The other complete chapter of carbon and compounds has been deleted from the course. So again, I am repeating from these two chapters, metals and non-metals and carbon and compounds, properties of metals and non-metals, reactivity series, formation and properties of ionic compound is being coming from metals and non-metals. From carbon and compounds, covalent bonding in carbon compounds, versatile nature of carbon and homologous series are being there. Now, if we talk about periodic classification of elements, the 5th chapter of the chemistry, nothing has been deleted from this chapter as well. Now comes the second unit, which is the world of living. In the first chapter, that is chapter number 6, life processes, nothing has been deleted from this chapter. The complete chapter is being there in the syllabus. Chapter number 7, which is control and coordination in animals and plants, this complete chapter has been deleted from this syllabus. No topic is there in this syllabus for the session 2021. Next, from the chapter reproduction, nothing has been deleted. From heredity and evolution, heredity, Mendel's contribution, laws of inheritance of traits, sex determination, brief introduction. These topics are there in this syllabus. Only basic concepts of evolution has been deleted from this syllabus. Again, I am repeating for unit 2, nothing has been deleted from life processes. In control and coordination, complete chapter has been deleted. Reproduction, nothing has been deleted. And from heredity and evolution, only the portion basic concepts of evolution is not there in the course. Now let's come to the unit 3. From unit 3, from the light chapter, nothing has been deleted, but in case of human eye, functioning of lens of human eye, defects of vision and their corrections, applications of spherical mirrors and lenses. These topics have been deleted from the syllabus. Chapter light and human eye is there in the syllabus. Again, I am repeating, from unit 3 only, functioning of a lens in human eye, defects of vision and their corrections, application of spherical mirrors and lenses have been deleted. Now let's come to the unit 4, that is effects of current. Nothing has been deleted from the chapter electricity, whereas from magnetic effects of current, magnetic field, field lines, field due to a current carrying conductor, field due to current carrying coil or solenoid, force on current carrying conductor, Fleming's left hand rule, electric motor, electromagnetic induction, induced potential difference, induced current, and Fleming's right hand rule are there in this syllabus, and electric generator, direct current, alternating current, frequency of AC, advantage of alternative current over direct current, and domestic electric circuits have been deleted. Again, I am repeating, from unit 4, nothing has been deleted from the chapter electricity, whereas from chapter magnetic effects of electric current, electric generator, direct current, alternating current, frequency of AC, advantage of AC over DC, and domestic electric circuit have been deleted. Last but not the least, Unit 5 Natural Resources, the complete chapter Sources of Energy have been deleted, whereas nothing has been deleted from our environment and management of natural resources. After 10th class, now let's come to the class 9th course structure, that is the annual examination chapter and the units which will be coming. Like the 10th class only, the class 9th syllabus is also being there in the 5 units. First one is the matters and its nature and behavior. Second is organization in the living world. Third is motion, force and work. Fourth is our environment, food and food production. We'll be studying them, or we'll be knowing them, what is being deleted and what is there in the syllabus by unit wise in detail. So now let's go to the first unit. In unit 1, matter, nature and behavior, the first chapter, which is matter in our surroundings, has been completely deleted from the course. All the topics, that is definition of matter, solid, liquid and gas, characteristics, shape and volume, density, change of state, that is melting, freezing, evaporation, condensation and sublimation. This complete chapter has been deleted from the syllabus. Again, I am repeating, from unit 1, chapter 1, matter in our surroundings has been completely deleted, although chapter 2 and chapter 3 are there in the syllabus and nothing has been deleted from these chapters. From unit 2, chapter number 5, cell, basic unit of life, nothing has been deleted from this chapter. And in tissues, organs, organ system and organisms, nothing has been deleted from this chapter as well. From biological diversity, this complete chapter has been deleted from the syllabus, and this is a very big good news for class 9 students, as this is one of the most difficult chapter in 9th syllabus, science 9th syllabus, that is the diversity in living organisms. And for the good news is that the complete chapter has been deleted from the syllabus. Health and diseases, nothing has been deleted from this chapter. From unit 3, motion, nothing has been deleted. From force, nothing has been deleted. From gravitation, the topic flotation and the subtopics of flotation has been completely deleted. From work and energy, nothing has been deleted from this chapter as well. And the sound chapter is also completely deleted. Again, this is one of the most difficult chapter in 9th science syllabus. So again, this is a very good news for you, that along with the diversity, sound is also being deleted completely from the 2021 science revised syllabus. From unit 4, nothing has been deleted. The complete unit is there in the syllabus. From unit 5, this improvement in food resources chapter, that means the complete food production, whole chapter is being deleted from the syllabus, that is chapter number 15, improvement in food resources, is also not there in this syllabus.
So this is what is there in the syllabus and what has been deleted, whatever you have watched in this video. And if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.